This case considered the issue of negative covenants in contracts, and whether or not the court could grant an injunction preventing an employee from working for a rival competitor. In this case, a man entered into an employment contract which prevented him from being employed with any other business in the same industry for a period of 5 years. The man left his employer and became employed with a rival competitor in the same industry. The man's former employer brought an action seeking injunction to restrain him from accepting employment with the competitor. The man objected to this and argued that the contract was an unreasonable restraint of trade,